Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last month and how the price of gold can move in this month. Okay, if you look at the chart of gold, what you can see that two patterns were created. If you look at a larger pattern and a smaller pattern, see a U pattern is created here. If you look at the second pattern, a U pattern is created here. Okay, if we see that this pattern is forming cup pattern, and that is where I have told in my previous video that it can touch its all time high. It has already touched this particular level. Okay, at this particular level. After that, what we have seen, again a U pattern we have seen, and now it is in the downside. But if it goes upside, then we will see that it will form the same cup pattern once it moves above a level of 1970. Okay, before that, you know that the cup pattern a U pattern is forming, so probability would be very high that it was hitting the resistance as soon as it is moving upside. This is where it has moved upside. Now once it has moved upside, it is going downside. See, the same pattern is creating here. Okay, any doubt regarding gold or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold and their commodities are working, even Forex. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what you can see that the price of gold is currently trading at around 1856.24. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 1834. Okay, before that it can touch a level of 1849. From there we can see it can touch a level of 1834, and once this 1834 didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can fall to a level of 1810. Okay, $1810, and once if it goes below that level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1798, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1769, but it has to go below a level of 1798, then only we can see it can touch a level of 1769. Okay, once if it goes below a level of 1769, then we can see it can come at the bottom of for this 2021, then we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching or going below 1700 will be high. But suppose the market is uncertain, we can see the trend is towards downside, but suppose if there is a green candle form or this particular level sustain, what we can see, if this level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $1868. Okay, and from there we can see if it sustain this particular level also, we can see it can go and touch a level of 1881. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1919, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1953. Okay, and once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside. I repeat, if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 1877.83, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1887, and once this sustain this particular level also, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1903, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1909. Once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 1919, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1960. Okay, once this particular level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1991, and from there we can see it can make further upside towards a level of 2055, and then we can see it can touch a level of 2020 high also, and can break this particular level also, because this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further upside. Okay, and if we compare from 2021 and 2022, we have seen a continuous rise as well as fall in the price of gold. Okay, now if you look at particular month, if you look at the month from March, what we have seen a volatile range, because it has moved from a level of 2074 to a level of 1890 as a low. Okay, in April month, what we have seen, it made a high of around 1998, and from there we have seen a fall has come to a level of 1855. Okay, so upper month, if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can further upside, or if it didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description and in the link. Okay, and now look at the chart. If you are trading, or investing, please consult your financial advisor. But one of the few things I should tell you that, suppose if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, okay, and now what if you are trading 5 times a day or 5 trades you are taking, suppose you should be trading to with around 10 to 15% of capital, that is around 1000 to 1500, okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100, okay. So suppose if you trade 5 times, you know your risk will be $500. If you lose all $500, you will rather be focusing more on profit rather than recovering this particular exit. That is very important, okay. So this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me and then we can work out on the timing. Any doubt, you can mail me regarding this. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.